In this episode of the New Gun Showcase, I just picked this up. It is a Traditions. It's the Vortek pistol. And what you're going to get all your paperwork, instruction manuals, all that stuff. And you also get, it'd be a cleaning cloth for your scope. I believe it's a 4mm Allen wrench, I guess, for your scope rings. It also works for the screw here that holds in the front stock, the forearm. You also get a spanner wrench that'll hook onto your breech plug. I guess if it ever gets too tight to actually take it out with your fingers, you can hook that on there and take it off, and I'll show you that here in just a second. Here we go. Traditions. It's a 50 caliber, 1 2/8 inch twist. It's a stainless steel barrel and frame. It's Cerakoted, and then come with black synthetic grips. You can also get these in camo. Comes with a 1x4x24 scope. It's got a just a regular old duplex practical. Thumb safety. Alright, now break it down. Takes 2 9 primers. You can see those little divots there in the breech plug. That's where you'd hook your spanner wrench if it ever needs to get pulled out, or if it ever becomes difficult to remove. I'll put it that, because it'll need to come out every time you clean it. Okay. One gripe I've got about it so far, I haven't shot this yet, so I really can't tell you. I might plan on doing a little video series on this, maybe shooting it. I know there's not a lot of videos there on YouTube, so maybe I'll do a little series on this. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. My gripe is this ramrod. It's too short the way it is to actually put in, so you got to thread it out and turn this around and thread it back in. Now, if you're shooting at the range or whatever, you just thread this in, load it up, set it down to the side, because it's not going to fit back in it sticks out quite a bit. But my problem is, I plan on using this to hunt with, so out in the field, if a quick follow-up shot's needed, that could be a little aggravating, by the time you get everything else, if you've ever shot a muzzleloader before, it takes a little time to do, and that's just something else adding to the time of getting reloaded. That's not much of a gripe, really, I guess. Maybe once you get in the stand or set up where we're going to be hunting, go ahead and take it out and spin that around, and it'll be ready to go. So I guess that's going to be about it for this video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please, like, share, subscribe. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.